Welcome back, beauties and gents. I'm here with another all-natural, healthy, growing hair recipe. We're going to make our hair flourish, grow, feel loved, and strength no matter what. The benefits of this hair juice: it's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, it promotes nerve growth, fights premature graying and dandruff, helps to relieve an itchy scalp, increases blood circulation, improves hair thickness, hair growth, and increasing hair strength. I'm using a crock pot, and let me tell you, I 100% prefer to use a crock pot or a slow cooker, whichever you want to call it, to do these methods now. It is my favorite. You set it on low, you give it a go, and then hours later, you have magic. The aroma from the sage, the peppermint, and the rosemary, it fills up your house. It smells so good. And I prefer to do it for 3 hours on low. It doesn't boil, it just sits there and seeps, and it just smells so good. You already know, you can just feel it working through your hair. I let that cool for about 2 hours or so to come up to room temperature, and then I strain it, and then I put it in my mason jars. And of course, this gave me 5 cups of hair juice. After my cleanse and hydrating routine, this is when I pour the hair juice all over. It's the best time for me. I make sure I hit the scalp first, and then I go in with a nozzle bottle, hitting the midsection and working my way all the way to my ends. I love to use this also midweek in combination with my other hair juice, the aloe vera and fenugreek, because it does absolute wonders for my hair, especially my hair shedding. And there we have it, another healthy recipe for our healthy hair journey. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And y'all know I'll see you for the next video. Bye, guys.